Hello, and welcome to the 2 Degrees tutorial for the Business Model Canvas. The Business Model Canvas is a strategic management tool that helps to quickly and easily define and communicate a business idea or concept. It is called a canvas because the tool visually lays out 9 vital aspects of a business that should be considered when formalizing an idea into a tangible venture. It is one of the most crucial aspects of starting a business, as the tool helps refine and focus a business idea no matter what industry. So, why does it matter? Not all great ideas make great businesses. An incredible amount of strategy, planning, and creativity is crucial to the vitality of any successful business. Quite often, the massive amount of work required creates the dreaded feeling of being stuck, paralyzed by the sheer complexity of bringing an idea to life. The beauty of the Business Model Canvas is that it's simple to understand while still being very effective. You can identify gaps and opportunities in your strategy by filling out the canvas. So, how do you fill one out? The Business Model Canvas contains 9 different sections. Each section represents a crucial aspect one should consider when running a business. The right side of the Business Model Canvas focuses on the customer external, while the left side of the canvas focuses on the business internal. Both external and internal factors meet around the value proposition, which is the value exchange between your business and your customers/clients. We suggest completing the value proposition section first, then the right side of the canvas, and lastly, the left side. Now let's cover the individual sections of the Business Model Canvas. First, the value proposition. The value proposition is foundational to any business or product. It is the fundamental concept of the exchange of value between your business and your customers or clients. Generally, value is exchanged from a customer for money when your business solves a problem or relieves their pain. Good questions to ask when defining your business or product. What is the problem I'm solving? Why would someone want to have this problem solved? What is the underlying motivator for this problem? Knowing your value proposition will help you best define why your product or service is needed and important. Customer segments. Now we will explore the right side of the Business Model Canvas, which covers the external aspects of your business. Let's start with customer segments. Customer segmentation involves dividing a customer base into groups of similar individuals based on age, gender, interests, and spending habits. Things to consider when determining your customer segments. Who are we solving the problem for? Who are the people who will value my value proposition? Are they another business? If so, what are the characteristics of those businesses? Or are they other people? Does my value proposition appeal to both men and women? Does it appeal to young adults aged 20 to 30 or teenagers? What are the characteristics of the people looking for my value proposition? Knowing your specific audience and their needs will be vital to your success. Customer relationships. Customer relationships are defined as how a business interacts with its customers. So, do you meet with them in person or over the phone? Or is your business primarily run online, so the relationship will be online too? Some examples are in person, third party contractors, online, events, or over the phone. There are no customers without building relationships. Strive to meet your customers where they are to foster visibility and trust with your product or service. Channels. Channels are the avenues through which your customer interacts with your business and becomes part of your sales cycle. Good questions to ask when identifying the channels to reach your customers are: how are we going to tell our customer segment about our value proposition? Where are our customers? Are they on social media? Are they driving their car and listening to the radio? Are they at an event or conference? Do they watch TV at 7 p.m. on a Friday night? A potential customer can't buy from you if they don't know you exist. Be sure to focus on growing your audience's awareness of your business's value proposition. Key activities. So we've completed the external portion of the business model canvas. Now let's start covering the internal aspects. We'll begin with key activities. Your business's key activities are the actions that your business undertakes to achieve the value proposition for your customers. Some questions to ask. What activities does the business undertake to achieve the customer's value proposition? What is the resource used? Time, expertise, distribution of product, technical development, strategy, resources? What actions does it take you and your staff to achieve that exchange of value? Don't overthink this. Simply list the deliverables that your business provides to fulfill your value proposition. Key resources. Next, you should consider what practical resources are needed to achieve the business's key activities or actions. Key resources are the resources your business requires to operate. These resources are what is needed practically to undertake the actions and activities of your business. Examples: office space, computers, people, internet connection, a car, a bike, an oven, electricity, car parts, etc., etc. Key resources should include everything you need to make your business a reality, including startup and operations. Key partners. Key partners are a list of other external companies or suppliers or parties you may need to achieve your key activities and deliver value to the customer. This moves into the realm of, if my business cannot achieve the value proposition alone, who else do I need to rely on to do it? For example, if I sell groceries to customers, I may need a local baker to supply fresh bread to my store. You can't, nor should you, run your business in a vacuum. In other words, don't do this alone. Be intentional when identifying your key partners. Cost structure. We've completed the internal and external sections of the canvas. Now we'll complete the dollars and cents of your idea, what it will cost, and how you'll make money. These categories are saved for last, as the other sections must be completed before the financials can be addressed. Your business cost structure is the monetary cost of operating as a business. How much does it cost to achieve my business's key activities? What is the cost of my key resources and key partnerships? How much does achieving the value proposition for my customers cost? Are there additional costs to running a business, including legal, insurance? What is the cost of my business? You have to think about that in general. It is essential also to place a monetary value on your time as a cost. How much would it cost to hire you? What is the opportunity cost of running your business? Once again, you don't have to figure out all of your costs right away. However, it's vital to address the actual cost of the business to best understand your idea's profitability. Lastly, revenue streams. What are revenue streams? In other words, how will you make money? They are defined as the way by which your business converts your value proposition or solution to the customer's problem into financial gain. But how do you gain revenue? There are many different revenue models here, including pay per product or pay per view, fee for a service, fixed rate, subscription models, dividends, referral fees, premium, equity gain, so on and so forth. It is important to understand pricing your business accordingly so that your customer will withstand the pain of purchase in exchange for the pain of solving the problem. Every time a customer buys something, they are sacrificing their money. So it's critical that they feel that they're getting something worthwhile in return. So let's conclude with some final thoughts. Do this quickly. The business model canvas is designed to be filled out quickly. Don't spend weeks and weeks completing it. You don't have to have every consideration written down. It's great marketing content. A beautiful outcome of the business model canvas is that it can generate content to create a very quick and easy website. Put your value prop front and center on the website. Then describe the problem you're trying to solve. List who you're trying to serve via your customer segments section. Mention your community via key partners. Use the key activity section to describe what you do. It's all in Canvas for a website and other marketing collateral. Complete a user journey map. If you haven't already, consider also completing a user journey map. Simply map out your customer's experience from discovering you to buying your product or service to being a long-standing regular supporter. By understanding how a customer moves down the sales funnel and incorporating it with your business model canvas, you'll be better prepared and more successful in securing revenue. It's a living document. The business model canvas should not be completed once and never considered again. Refer to it often to become more comfortable with the complexities of your business idea. The more you think and refresh yourself on the ins and outs of your idea, the more real it will become. It will become much easier to sound conversational and confident when describing what you're doing and how you're trying to become successful. That's it for the 2 Degrees tutorial of the business model canvas. Thanks for watching and good luck.